So I'm going to say this. I pretty much like racing in any form as long as you're going fast and not just taking left-hand turns. Well, that's a little joke in NASCAR, but I don't mind that either. But this is from the NHRA, and if you don't know, John Force is 72 years old, Hall of Famer, still racing, absolute legend. And that's his car exploding. And I looked this up because I didn't know actually for sure. So this is Google saying it. Let's be honest here. These cars supposedly, again from Google, make 11,000 horsepower. That's 1,375 per cylinder, and all that pressure just exploded right there. I mean, that's scary. Apparently, after he won the race apparently, or well, he crossed the finish line first, and he ended up crossing the finish line at 302.62 miles per hour. So when he's crashing right there, after, well, probably not at that point, he's hit the wall already, but the first wall he hit at 302 miles an hour. That is absolutely insane. Hopefully he's not that bad, or hopefully it's not as bad as it looked like it should be. They're pretty well strapped in there with cages and everything. If you want to stop and read the actual John Force Racing PR or whatever you want to put out, it's right there if you want to read. It's crazy. That's insanity speed, and crashes at that speed are always going to be bad. But hopefully hopefully he heals up quickly. Hopefully it's not as bad as it could be or should or looks or whatever. I don't know, but comment down below. Tell me what do you watch other than, obviously most of my audience is motocross stuff or supercross stuff. So what other forms of racing do you watch? Is it road racing, car racing, F1, F2, MotoGP, whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you watch. And with that, well, while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.